Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the E minor 7th chord on your piano or keyboard. Let's locate the root note, the note E. Play this with your first finger. The next note we'll need is the note G. Play this with your second finger. Next note is the note B. Play this with your third finger. And the last note, actually the 7th, is the note D. Play this with your 5th finger. So there you have it, the E minor 7th chord. Now, because the E minor 7th chord is in fact a 4-note chord, you can also have what's known as 4 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom of the chord. Okay? To make an inversion, move the bottom note of the chord, the note E, to the top, like this. Move your hand. Okay, this is called the E minor 7th chord first inversion. To make another inversion, again move the bottom note, this time G, all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called the E minor 7th chord second inversion. And one more inversion, move the bottom note, this time B, all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called the E minor 7th chord third inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note to the top, this time D, like this, you will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, only 1 octave higher than from where we started, right? Now, of course, you can go the other way, downwards on the keyboard. We have here the root inversion. Now move the top note, D, all the way to the bottom. Move your hand. So this is the third inversion of the chord. And again, move the top note to the bottom. Move your hand. This is the second inversion of the chord. One more time. Top note to the bottom. Move your hand. This is the first inversion of the chord. And the last, top note to the bottom. And you're back at the root inversion of the chord. Okay, let's do it one more time. The E minor 7th chord root inversion. Bottom note to the top. Move your hand. First inversion. Bottom note to the top. Second inversion. And again, bottom note to the top. Third inversion. And again, bottom note to the top. And you're back at root inversion. And now let's go the other way, starting with the root inversion. Top note to the bottom. Third inversion of the chord, right? And again, top note to the bottom. Second inversion of the chord. And again, top note to the bottom. First inversion of the chord. And one more time, top note to the bottom. And we're back at the root inversion of the chord. Okay, now I'm going to show you one more way you can invert your E minor 7th chord. Instead of playing the root note with my right hand, I'm going to play it with my left hand, like this. This way I'm only going to play 3 notes with my right hand, and I'm going to change this finger, making it easier to play the chord. Right, first finger, third finger, 5th finger here. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to keep this root note down here and only invert the top 3 notes of the chord. Okay? I'm not going to name these inversions because it's a bit different, but just follow along. So this is the root inversion. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the bottom note of this chord to the top, move my hand, but still play the root note down here. Okay? And I'm going to make one more inversion, moving this note to the top, move my hand, but still play the root note down here. Okay? And I'm going to make one more inversion, moving this note to the top, moving this note to the top, and again play the root note with my left hand. Right? One more inversion. Bottom note to the top. Play the root note down here. Now you'll notice again, this is the root inversion of the chord. This note is the same as this one. Okay, and let's move down on the keyboard. Starting with the root inversion, moving the top note to the bottom. Move my hand, play the root note. One more inversion, top note to the bottom, play the root note. And one more inversion, top note to the bottom, and play the root note. And we're back home. Okay, I'm going to do this one more time, a bit faster. And the other way. Okay, now the whole reason we use inversion is to make your piano playing more fluent, so you don't have to, so your hand doesn't have to move all around the keyboard to play the different chords. So I'm just going to play one small progression using inversions. I'm going to play the E minor chord in this inversion. Then I'm going to play the A minor 7th chord in another inversion. And then I'm going to play the B sharp 7th chord in an inversion. And then I'm going to land home at the E minor 7th chord in another inversion. It sounds like this. Okay, so there you have it, the E minor 7th chord with inversions. Now before you leave me for today, please remember to like this video. If you liked this lesson, I'm sure you did. And subscribe to this channel. Please do it now, help me out guys. Okay, see you around. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.